Hello and welcome. Today's speakers are Robin Johnson, Head of Customer Success, and Evan Michalski, VP of Customer Engagement, both with AppBuddy.
Hello and welcome to AppBuddy's Greatest Hits webinars. So if you're not currently using GridBuddy to manage your opportunities, I'll take a wild guess here and assume that your sales team spends way too much time updating opportunities when they could be out there selling. So in Salesforce, updating an opportunity requires multiple page loads, navigating in and out of different records, which can be time-consuming and a little cumbersome. And as we all know, poor data entry leads to inaccurate forecasting. With GridBuddy, we want to empower end users with a solution that makes updating opportunities quick and easy with the ability to mass update opportunities in real time. When opportunity and related data is current, you increase the accuracy of your pipeline forecasting, which keeps our executives happy. We actually have a customer who has saved its reps over 70,000 hours per year. Now, that's a lot of extra time to spend with prospects and happy customers. Evan, let's see how this is done.
Great, thanks, Robin. So like Robin mentioned, this is really just a bread and butter GridBuddy use case for us. And, coming from the world of Salesforce, I'm a rep. There's all these ways I can get to my views, but usually they're going to have some limitations. I'm in a list view. We're a company that uses record types like so many large organizations. Inline editing is just not going to work for me. And even if it does work for me, there's things like I want long text. I need to capture my next steps to win. Or we have products that are driving the amount. Or I just need to see more than 15 fields. List view is going to cause them to click into each of these records individually, and we really want to get them away from that. So what we can do in GridBuddy, again here, I've created a workspace around my opportunity lifecycle. So I'm a rep, and I have one place to go in the system that gets me everything I need to do with my pipeline. So I'm meeting with my boss once a week, we're going through everything, and I have it all in one place, and I can make those changes and edits as we go. So a couple things to call out. I'm looking at the pipeline tab. This is a grid I have of my current pipeline. We can use conditional formatting here, call out things that are going well. Hey, I got some commits. We're looking ready to close those. We might want to drill into those a certain way. Or in red, hey, I have some opportunities. They're past the close date. I probably need to update that before my boss sees that. So we make it very easy to do the inline edits. Everything you have in your pipeline process is already defined. I can type into a long text field here. You'll see all these changes turning yellow as I go. And you see that I can do these inline edits across record types. So important, really makes that process quick and easy. And this is another place where it's just great use case for a data card. Maybe you have fields that are required at certain parts of the process. I only need them to fill them out when I close or when I go to stage 3 to stage 4. Or there's just some detail information. I don't want to clutter up the view, but it's really important information that I need to see. We can put that information in a data card, make it so easy for them to update every part of their process from one screen without having to click into each of those opportunities. But like with lead management and all the processes of GridBuddy, our sweet spot is really the multi-object view. So as I expand into each of these opportunities, I have a full 360-degree view of everything I need to see here. Maybe I'm using products. Products are driving the amount on my opportunities. I can edit and actually create the new products right in line from the grid. Or let's say we can use some advanced features. I have a really complicated hierarchy. I need to drill in not just products to the schedules below this. Great new feature that we have implemented is we can go additional levels of the hierarchy. So I can click in from my opportunities to my products to my schedule. It's editable on every single level, and in one view, I can touch all these places at once. Now, last thing to point out here, we also have some other objects here. Maybe I need to see something that's indirectly related to an opportunity. I need to know if I have open cases against this account, because that's going to determine the follow-up I want to take with this customer. Let's say there's other key contacts I want to call on this account. None of these are directly related to the opportunity, but I can bring them into view using GridBuddy's object cross-reference just to get that full picture, and it's all with configuration. We didn't have to do any custom coding. We didn't have to do any complex Apex and Visualforce. It's just simple, easy, everything I need in one place. Now, last thing to point out here, we have some new features here. I'm going to click on the Insights tab. This is a great new feature that we just have that people just love about getting that additional visualization. So in addition to all these great features about GridBuddy and the inline editing in the pipeline, I now have just really quick, easy to look at targets that tell me where am I in my process, where am I in my pipeline, what do I need to do? I had a past due opportunity, I probably need to pay attention to that. Just makes it easy to put everything right in the rep's face, right in their control, where they can just do it all from one screen.
Evan. Thank you so much.